We're gonna make chocolate cakes today, but we're gonna make a few chocolate cakes, and we're gonna show you why. We're gonna tell you why later on in our video.
We're gonna make 6.
Good, it is 6. And we got lots of good stuff we're gonna put in this chocolate cake. Stay tuned because we're gonna tell you why we're using 6 of our little bundt pan cake things, whatever. We're gonna tell you why we're making 6 cakes at the end of our video.
Yes, it's chocolate. We need 2 cups of flour. Now 2 cups of sugar. 1½ cup of cocoa powder. That looked good. She added 4 eggs. And put in our buttermilk. Oil. Mommy, they're hot.
Doing?
Now let's add our warm water. After dinner.
And we've got 3 of Ellie's cakes in a larger Mylar bag.